In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram to Hootsuite. Whether you're a social media manager juggling multiple accounts or a small business owner looking to streamline your online presence, this guide will walk you through the steps to connect your Instagram account with Hootsuite, making your social media management that much easier. So let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Hootsuite website. You'll be greeted with the homepage of one of the most popular social media management tools out there. For those unfamiliar, Hootsuite allows you to schedule posts, track social media performance, and manage all your accounts under one roof. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button. If you're new to Hootsuite, you might want to take a moment to explore the site, but in this case we're focusing on logging in, so click on that button to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Hootsuite account. This might seem like a small detail, but ensuring you're using the correct email will save you trouble later on. After that, it's time to enter your password. Now remember to keep your login information secure and never share your password with others. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Now that you are logged in, it's time to navigate to where you can add your social media accounts. Click on your profile at the top right corner, then select Social Accounts and Teams. This area allows you to manage all your social media accounts connected to Hootsuite. Within the Social Accounts Management area, you'll find the option for Private Account. Click on this to move to the next step of adding a new account. This is particularly useful for managing personal profiles or smaller, more private brands. Here's where it gets exciting. Click on Add an Account to Hootsuite. This is your gateway to integrating various social media platforms with your Hootsuite account. For the purpose of this tutorial, our focus is on adding Instagram. So click on Instagram Business from the list of available social media platforms. It's worth mentioning that linking an Instagram business account allows for more advanced features and analytics within Hootsuite, offering deeper insights into your social media performance. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Instagram account. This is a critical step to ensure the correct account is being linked. Enter your Instagram credentials carefully. Once you log in, you'll need to authorize Hootsuite to access your Instagram account. This allows Hootsuite to post on your behalf, schedule posts, and more. Remember, this authorization is secured, and Hootsuite takes your privacy seriously. It's all about making your social media management smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. Following these steps, your Instagram account is now added to your Hootsuite dashboard. The beauty of this integration means you can now manage your Instagram posts, schedule content in advance, and analyze your performance right from Hootsuite. It's a powerful way to keep your social media strategy sharp and engaging. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly check your Hootsuite and Instagram integration to ensure everything is running smoothly. Sometimes logging out of Hootsuite or changing your Instagram password requires you to re-link your Instagram account. Also, take advantage of Hootsuite's scheduling feature. Planning your posts in advance can save you a significant amount of time and stress. Finally, don't forget to explore Hootsuite's analytics. Understanding the performance of your posts is key to refining your strategy and engaging more effectively with your audience. That wraps up our guide on adding Instagram to Hootsuite. This simple yet powerful integration can greatly enhance your social media management, allowing you to be more productive and strategic with your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media efforts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.